and thinking about just a few remarks to share with you before we highlight our students today. In welcoming you to the River Bluff High School dedication, I was reflecting back on an article that I had recently read about a past person in leadership, the former president, soon to be retired president of Clemson University. President Jim Barker wrote an article in which he entitled it his last lecture, as he reflected over the 14 years of leadership that were held there on Clemson's campus. And he highlighted three important pieces as he reflected about that leadership. And as I thought about the dedication of River Bluff today, these 3 points, I believe, were very key. He spoke about the relationship between change and tradition. And I think the way in which we've embarked in developing a culture here at River Bluff and the way in which we have embarked in new change, we have not done it without thinking about developing a very strong tradition. And oftentimes in going through change, it's very difficult to think about that legacy. But I believe the relationship forged here at River Bluff with students, staff, and faculty has been one where we have been very cognizant of the relationship between change and tradition. Dwight D. Eisenhower was quoted as saying that planning is indispensable. A plan is merely a tool to inspire good, clear thinking about the future. And clearly the planning about River Bluff has been what has been so important as we've designed an instructional space and an instructional experience for students where learning is the focus. He concluded his remarks, President Barker, by talking about his desire to see educational institutions be incubators for creativity. And I don't think that sentence I believe that sentence exemplifies River Bluff High School very well. We are an incubator for creativity. For our students, our staff, our adults, and those that are going to encounter the learning experiences here, we are very proud of that.